today we are going to be planning for March in my digital planner. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I plan for a new month in my digital planner. I am actually what you call a hybrid planner. So I have an analog planner or a paper planner or a physical planner. People call it all of any of those three, or probably even more. Day planner. I mean, I'm sure people call it all types of things, but technically an analog planner. And then I also have a digital planner, which my analog planner is technically my work planner, but every now and again I may throw in a personal to-do, but I don't really spend any real time setting it up for a new month or anything like that necessarily. And then my digital planner is one that I made for myself in Keynote, and that is what I have been using. I have been using my own digital planner for actually almost 2 years. I think March will be 2 years since I have been designing and creating and using my own digital planners. But this month we are going to be planning for March. So we're going to fill out the monthly spread. Then we will move on to setting up the monthly dashboard, and then setting up my monthly reflection page. And then typically that's about the extent of what needs to take place for me to feel like I'm ready to take on a new month in my digital planner. But that's what we're going to be doing today. And you guys will have to let me know, do you like a voiceover where I speed up the video and it's probably 15 minutes max? Or do you like me planning in real time? I don't know that I've ever been more curious than I am right now. So I actually like either. When I'm watching planner videos, plan with me videos, I'm okay to watch either one of them. But I think about, for me, me personally, as I'm creating content, do viewers like the whole voiceover thing? Because I actually hate doing voiceovers because I just feel like the quality is always bad and I'm stumbling all over my words, and it's just, it's a time. But I'm okay with doing it because I feel like I get to, you know, sometimes like vibe out while I'm planning instead of internal music, instead of it being, you know, like super quiet while I'm planning. So you guys will just have to let me know. I feel like there are pros and cons to both, but I'm kind of into both, truly. So you guys will have to let me know. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into today's video. So we're going to be planning out the month of March, and I have an hour before I have to go, but we're gonna try this. If not, I'll finish it when I get home or at a later date. So I'm going into my sticker book real quick, and I'm gonna just flip through my stickers and see which, if any of these, I want to use. We're gonna copy all of those because I do want to use the vast majority of them, and then I paste them. I don't know why I do this, but I do. Ooh, spring stickers. I actually want to use that, I think. Yeah, I think I want to use this sticker. So cute. So Marky hair appointment, which is not on Friday, it's on Saturday, and it's at 10 a.m. Oh, I think I have to do, yeah, I got to do a post for social media, and it's going to go on, let's see, let's do, I guess we could use this one. Yeah, we'll use this one. So on the 4th, I need to create a post. It's also National Social Work Month for those who care, aka me. Okay, and so since that's the only thing, I'm going to move it to the middle. So I'm going to do a networking event, I believe. It's either going to be on the 6th or the 20th. So we'll do FSWC office hours. I don't know if I'm going to mark my workouts. I might. I work out on Tuesdays, Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays usually, like if all goes according to plan. So let's copy it and paste it here. I don't know if I like this. We'll delete that. No, I might use it. I just don't think I'll use it up there. I kind of like mentally at the bookstore. That's not terrible. Okay, let's move on to going ahead and copying the workouts so that we can just paste them. So we will do planner meetup here. So I'll just write planner meet at 1 o'clock. And that is basically called, I wonder when spring starts. I have to look it up. That is called DPC, is what I call that, at 2, FSW at 2 o'clock. It's a lot on here. Ooh, let's see, St. Patrick's Day, paste that over here. That's gonna be on the 17th. I might delete the Sunday workouts because while I am working out, it's normally an in-home workout. I don't go anywhere to work out. So I'm going to delete that, and then I'm going to make this bigger. By an in-home workout, I mean I normally walk my dog. I guess spring. Is spring starting? Is spring starting in March? We're going to assume. So let's copy those and paste those. So let's look in here and see if there is a Good Friday. Memorial Day. Oh, I guess not. Oh, there it is. I was gonna say, I guess nobody cares about Good Friday, which is fine, but like it's fine with me if people don't have it in their sticker packs, but we got one. All right, Good Friday is the 29th, and then spring break begins. It really begins like the 29th as well, so we'll do Good Friday. It kind of begins on the 28th, so we'll put spring break, because I don't go to, my spring break starts after that. And then spring begins. We'll have to figure out when that is. So, for which case. Oh, Easter. Oh my gosh. Easter is in March. Let's find Easter. And let's see if we can find a color that matches. The pink kind of matches. The green. No, the orange. Not really. And then the purple. We should probably go with the pink. So let's copy this. We can close out of that because I don't think I'm going back in there. On the 18th is when my dog needs her meds. So let's put lady meds. And then we'll make that a little bit smaller. Then we'll do pay credit card and make that center a little bit. Oops. Then we have the book event. So maybe we do Kindle Girly for that. And that's going to be on the 23rd. Don't know what time. Let's take a look. At 1 o'clock. So we'll do book, I think it's called bookshelf, book meet at 2 o'clock. Is that what I said? Yeah, I think it said 2 o'clock. Yep, it did. So we'll resize that, make it more center. That's kind of cute. Then the 26th, we have my niece's birthday. We have, my monthly meeting at work, which we will put this. I feel like that's like a good little work thing. That's on the 26th. So let's move this up and then we'll put that here. And that is going to be at 2:30 as it always is. And then we have a weather makeup day and then Good Friday. So we're off work. So we'll do both off. I've added in the weather makeup day and both off in Lil Wayne. And my husband's home. So anything in March that I need to put on my planner that I should know about besides your hair appointment?
Lil Wayne, my hair appointment. There's something else going on in March. Good Friday.
Yeah, I got that. Anything pertaining to you specifically. We'll be out of town on Good Friday. Oh, I can mark that.
No, that's it.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm going to mark then. March. For being out of town, I'm just going to mark it with these dots, I think. Because I don't feel like...
I got a day out of school in March.
Good Friday?
Before Good Friday.
Really?
I believe so. I think like the 9th or something.
The 9th?
Wait, yeah.
That's a Saturday, so no.
I go to school all next week, and then the following Friday I'm out.
The 8th.
The 8th.
You sure are.
Yeah. Well,
okay.
The kids don't have school, but it's learn asynchronous day.
I think I have that on my planner. So an e-learning day? Okay. I'll put that on here.
And then we got Good Friday.
Wait, so do you have to go to school?
Yes, I do have to go to school.
Oh, okay. So I won't be taking off or anything with you. Because if you off, then I'm off. I'm just kidding. Not really.
It's toxic.
It's not toxic. It's codependent. I'm not going to work if you ain't going to work. How'd that sound? So for currently reading, I'm going to put, I think in March I'm going to be reading Spare. So I'm just going to, ew. Huh?
I'm going to be reading Spare.
Why are you all in my business?
Because we're having a conversation.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the camera. Spare is Prince Harry's book.
But you ain't finished your current book.
I know, but I think by March, that's what I'll be reading. Are you listening to me?
Nowhere near finished. You're not even halfway.
I'm nowhere near finished?
You're not even halfway through.
Dang. You don't think I'll be finished by like March 15th?
No.
So to make this even, just stretch the text box from one side to the next, and then you can just center it, and then it'll be like perfectly even. Pro tip, you can do that like if you're trying to center something in a box or whatever you want to do. And I'm gonna move that up a little.
You need anything done?
Around the house? Oh, that's so cute. Oh, can y'all see? Do I need anything done around the house? Besides the laundry room? I feel like you should take a load off today, you know?
Yeah.
You just got home at 3 o'clock.
I feel it.
So, chores will be here tomorrow.
Huh?
Chores will be here tomorrow.
Chores will be here.
Yeah.
Too bad I ain't gonna be here.
Where you gonna be? So since chores is gonna be here, you're not gonna be here, is what you said.
Chores can be done Saturday.
I think this ain't really.
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna have a cleaning day Saturday. Cleaning party Saturday.
Okay. Well, you go right.
You're welcome to join me.
I'm gonna be busy. I don't like that. It's bothering me. So we're gonna go. You don't need me? Okay. Well, have fun.
Time to start getting that pool together.
It is. That's ugly. I'm looking in the elements, y'all. That's kind of cute. Have y'all seen the little, have y'all seen this? This little, you haven't? I'm not talking to you. The little candle that looks like that. Y'all have to have seen that. All the aesthetic girlies are using it. And we'll add this little candle, which I kind of want to doodle in a fire. I just want to add a little bit of decor, but I don't want to add it all in the middle here. That seems boring. And I also don't really want to clutter it up. Maybe the 31st. Or maybe I can't put it over here. Let's see what else we can choose from. There was something else. Oh, the coffee's cute, even though I'm not really a coffee girly. That's kind of cute. I mean, I drink it every now and again. I was thinking of doodling like some steam, not like that, but some steam coming out of it. But that ain't that cute. So we're going to go out of that. And that's going to do it for our, yeah, I think that's going to do it for, the only thing I was considering doing is making this, oops. I don't know why that does that. Good notes, please get your life together. Is making that bigger so it could take up more of that space. But when I do that, I don't like that anymore. So maybe we'll just, you know what? We can always do my tried and true little hack here. Let's see about black. Adding black might be cute. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line, or a long rectangle rather, and then we're going to let it snap itself into place. And then we're going to do the backspace so it gets rid of the border. And then I'm going to actually select it and then move it, arrange it, and send it to back so that that is in the front. And let's see what we like about that. The positive is that that's not bad. The positive is you can always just select it and then change the color. So now we can go through. Ooh, I like that. At this point, I want to come into February and I want to copy all of these things and I'm going to take them to March. One thing that I just remember is my neighbors are having a party on the 16th, like for sure. And they have, what's funny is we were thinking of doing one the same day, but they're like, please, you know, like, don't have it on, not please, but saying like, don't have it on that day because they want us to come to their party. So we'll see. But I was thinking of having my own little get together on that day. But we'll see if what's what. So I think that's all as of right now. All right, now let's look at one to-do that I had. When I'm doing this, I just like to write down to-dos that I think of in this very moment. So one thing that I thought about is I need to buy, I'm going to like a color party planner meetup thing, buy color party supplies. So basically I need to pick a color to wear and then take things and like make a basket or whatever, or a box of things that coordinate with me and take it. So if I dress in black, then I would purchase a lot of things with that are black, that have black bags and stuff. That's a hard one, so I might do white. I'll either do white or brown or green, something like that. So we'll figure it out. So that's one thing that I thought about. And then buy book event supplies. I will put on here that I need to schedule my dog's comprehensive exam. It would be kind of cute to add the spare book cover here, don't you think? No. Okay, let's go into Wikipedia and go to visit it. And then it just looks pixelated. Let's see. Okay, that one's better. And I'm pretty sure I'm tracking the same habits in March as I do every other month. So I just need to put those in here, paste those in here. And then I think I want to figure out my color. Let's see what color I've been using for a highlight. I don't think I want to use that. Maybe I'll use this one. Yeah, that'll be my highlight when I'm highlighting. As I'm highlighting this, I can also just like scratch it. Oops, that's too big. Like this size. I can scratch it like that, or what I normally do is I just leave a dot, or I just put a dot. That one's too big. I think this is the size that I use. Yeah, so we are officially all set up for March as far as we know it. Whatever else pops up, we will deal with it. But for now, this is what we are working with.